Hi, this is Christy with the Kingwood Branch Library, and this week we've put together a fun craft kit for the adults, and it's this lovely necklace. So let's get started. These are all the parts that will be in your kit when you pick it up. Now, I've included this little wire that will act as our needle. So here we go. What you're going to do is you're going to just put your tassel through there like this. And you're going to start with your first bead. It's going to be this small bead right here. And we're going to thread this through. And you might have to pull on your tassel just a little bit, make it taut, make it easier to get through. There we go, just like that. Okay, then we're going to use our little accent bead here and pull that through just like that. Now we get our silver bead and we will thread it through. Simple, right? Now we're done with our needle, so we're just going to push that to the side. And the last thing we have is our cord, and we are just going to thread that through the top, and you can adjust this to any length you want. And I am just going to tie a simple knot right there, and there you go. You've got a necklace that will go with a lot of your spring and summer outfits. These kits are available at the Kingwood drive-thru for our adult patrons. They'll be available on Friday, March the 20th. We will have the window open between 1 and 6. Supplies are limited, so please call and reserve your kit today. We hope you've enjoyed this, and thanks.